Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm Architect Vaibhavi and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel below. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about NATA 2025 and all about the examination, introduction of the this year's brochure. We are going to be discussing about the syllabus, eligibility and criteria. So this has to be the most highly requested video on this channel for 2025. So having said all of that, now let us discuss about NATA 2025 examination. So last year I have made the whole series for NATA 2024 in which we have discussed all of the topics in detail. So in 2025, I am going to make a crash course for 15 days. If you want me to make a crash course online, and we will be discussing all of the topics one by one. We can take the mock test and I can personally check your progress. Okay, so if you want me to do that, please do let me know in the comment section below. And now let us dive into today's video. I have jotted down all of the points from the brochure. So for the first point, I have schedule of examination. So like last year, you have your examinations from 1st of March till June. Okay, so now you have to start preparing and start registering yourself for the attempts. And you have to give 3 attempts no matter what. And if you have given already some attempts in 2024 and you are trying to get admission in 2025, you can still do that because last year's examination score will be valid for this year as well. So if you have frozen some of the score for like this year, you can still get the admission on the basis of that score. Okay, those candidates who have appeared in 2024 and they have already their score frozen, they can also apply for 2025 NATA examination. So according to your 2024 and 2025 score, the best score will be valid for your admission. Then if you have given first and second attempt of 2025 and the other one is from your 2024, so still your one of the best score will be considered. And if you are giving attempts all in 2025, if you are a fresher and you are giving the attempts in 2025, 3 of the attempts, then the best score will be considered. Okay, now discussing about date, time and examination. We have examination starting from 1st of March till June 2025. So you can appear for the examination anytime whenever you are ready. So this year, Fridays and Saturdays will be there for the examination. On Fridays, you have afternoon sessions for the examination, and then on Saturdays, you have morning sessions, and the examinations will be for 3 hours. Okay, now discussing about the syllabus, I will make a different video for the syllabus like I have done in the previous year. We have again 2 parts. Part A, which has drawing and composition test, which has 90 minutes and 80 marks total. And then you have again 3 questions, one related to color composition, second related to sketching and composition, and third related to 3D composition. Like last year you got the kit for 3D, so you have to make a 3D composition out of the given kit, right? So same question is there for the third question. So discussing about part B, you have this year computer adaptive test, which has MCQs and NCQ again for 90 minutes, and you have 120 marks. Okay, now we will be discussing all about eligibility and criteria. If you are 11th pass or appearing for 11th grade, then you should have PCM subjects to appear for the NATA examination. Same for the 12th grade. If you are appearing for NATA examination, then you should have PCMs as your subjects. And then if you are passing or appearing as a diploma student, you should be passed with mathematics as subjects. Okay, so please go on COA's website, Council of Architecture. I will leave the link in the description box below for the registration, so you can go and get yourself registered. I hope I have given all the information about NATA 2025. And if you want me to make more videos or if you want me to make a crash course, do not forget to type in the comment section below. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you do, you know the drill. Please like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.